Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here you have cyclohexene. You are doing water analysis in hydrogen peroxide. Then you are using ammonia. Further you are using sulfur chloride and lithium aluminum hydride. You have to guess what will be the final product. The answer is lies in the reagents. First step of the reaction, you are using ozone. Ozone converts into acid. There is opening of alkene ring. Then you are using sulfur chloride. It converts acid into acid chloride. Then you are using the ammonia. You are converting chlorine into amine. Then the possibility of intracondensation. You have amine and carbonyl group. So intracondensation is possible. So you have new 7-member ring. Then you are using lithium aluminum hydride. It converts carbonyl into CH2. You have final 7-member cyclic amine. The concept you have to learn here is always master the functional group conversion in terms of reagents. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion, comment below.